In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive restricted video. Before we dive in, a quick but important note. I can't help you bypass or hack a restricted Google Drive video. That includes removing download protection or breaking access. Those settings exist to protect the owner's rights. What I can do is walk you through the legitimate ways to access or save the video so you stay safe, respectful, and within the rules. First, if the video is marked restricted or view only, the best path is to request access. Open the link you were given and use the request access button. If you see a box to include a note, keep it short and clear. Explain who you are and why you need to view or download the video. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple logins, because approvals are tied to the email you request from. Then, wait for the owner to approve. You'll usually get an email notification if they grant access. This is the only official route if the file is private. If you don't hear back or if you need something specific, reach out to the owner directly. A polite message works best. You can ask them to allow downloading or to change the sharing setting to anyone with the link if that's appropriate for their content. Owners can also provide a separate downloadable version if they prefer. Remember, it's their call. Be clear about your purpose, your timeline, and any constraints you have, and be patient. Time zones and busy schedules can delay responses. If downloading is disabled but you can watch the video, your immediate option is to view it online through Google Drive's built-in player. You can adjust playback quality to suit your connection. Some people consider screen recording, but only do that if you have explicit permission and it's allowed by the relevant rules where you are. Respect copyright, organizational policies, and terms of service. Also note that certain browsers, devices, or content protections may block or limit screen capture. Here's the bottom line. When a video is restricted and download is disabled, Google intentionally blocks file access. There's no safe or official method to force a download. Avoid sites or tools that claim to crack restrictions. They're unreliable, may violate policies, and can expose you to malware or account risks. Use the request button, communicate with the owner, and watch online when allowed. That way, you'll get what you need while protecting your device, your account, and the creator's rights. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you proceed the right way.